Ratnotsav Academy is an educational initiative by us with 16 years of experience in event management for the need of professionals and for the need of new energy to come into the industry. For professional training, we have started this academy about 18 months ago, January 5th, 2012. So we are celebrating our first annual day today. We've had about 150 students who have studied and have passed out with us. A portion of the 150 students, close to about 25 students, are still pursuing the full-time course with us. So in these 18 months, we've had about 150 students here. We are networking across the globe to bring event education recognition, wedding planning industry recognition for professionals and taking it forward. It's our single initiative as an event management company that we are doing this, and we are looking forward to a lot of success with this process and bring in new energy, professionals to grow our teams bigger, which has not been possible so far. So I think we need the support of media and of people from the industry who are looking at making their career and profession as event management and wedding planners to come into the academy and learn the process forward. None of the other institutions are taken forward by an event management company. It's basically taken, our academy is taken forward with our 16 years of experience. We have put that experience into curriculum and classroom process, practical training and a process by how you can sequence and teach your students correctly, which otherwise in other spaces, students are sent to events to learn. But in our process, we teach our students everything at academy and at our studio. So everything is in-house, the training, the process, the eligibility, the communication. The most important point in the process is how we go about the teaching and the practical training. What is our next step? We are looking at national recognition, we are looking at government recognition, because event management doesn't have any recognition in any university anywhere. And we need the support of the government to recognize our process. And having said that, international universities are very welcoming because they are already having this education in their process. So keeping that in mind, I think we are looking at Indian recognition first. And for that, I think we are working very hard and striving to work with the government and with various campuses. At this point of time, we've done about seminars in 150 colleges. We are tied up with various institutions and universities, and we are teaching event management in their campus, like NITHM, National Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management. We are teaching event management in their campus. We are tying up with other campuses like Gandikotla, RBVRR College, and more campuses. So these are all processes that we are doing, and our efforts are in teaching event planning from school itself, where planning skills is not only to become an event manager, planning skills is for any industry. If you learn to plan a program well, you can do it in any industry. You don't have to really be an event manager. So there is scope for people who are not totally focused on this industry as well as in other professions. 16 years, I haven't counted how many, but then yes, I've done the most prestigious events that I could have done in my career, from Filmfare to Femina, Miss India, to probably the All India Congress plenary. We were the single agency who handled it at Andhra Pradesh when it was hosted. We've done the IPL series, we've done cricket matches, single day leagues, we have done large conferences, the best of the weddings in the world. We've been awarded the best wedding planner. We do events for companies. For the last 12 years, I've been doing all their events. So we have key accounts. So there's a lot of events we've done, and most of them have been long-term relationships. Most of the time, we believe that once we are with a client, we are always with the client. And once an associate with us, is always an association made with us. So we believe in a strong network, and I think event management is all about great networking skills and success for every moment. I'm very, very happy. It's been my dream, the academy. The academy has actually been Sanjay's and my dream, and I'm looking forward to taking this across India, across the globe, and making event education something which is going to be a first option where children who have passion for it, parents will say, yes, please join this industry and take the education forward. Because today, anybody who could become a doctor, a chartered accountant, an engineer, no parent will say become an event manager. Just like hospitality courses were not there 10 years back. I think we will work towards getting this also recognized like the hospitality industry, and event management will become a very, very much wanted career, and students will join our course in larger numbers because there is a huge future.